Okay, so good evening, everyone, and welcome to the 12th faculty seminar in the series of faculty seminars conducted by the Department of Basic Science and Humanities. Today, we'll be having a presentation by Dr. Shibu PP. Before we begin the seminar formally, here's a brief description of Dr. Shibu. Dr. Shibu PP, Associate Director in Physical Education, has a master's degree in Physical Education, MPES, an MPhil from Annamalai University, and a PhD from Karpangam University in Coimbatore. The title of his thesis is Effect of Varied Regimen of Specific Exercise Program on Selected Physiological and Biochemical Variable in Type 2 Diabetes Patients. He has a total of 11 years in teaching experience. He was working in various schools and colleges in and around the states. His area of interest is volleyball and shuttle badminton. He is a qualified volleyball official and a well-known sports organizer as well. Before bringing Dr. Shibu on, I just want to remind everyone, this is an online seminar. Make sure you keep your cameras and your mics on mute during the entire seminar. In case you have any doubt during the seminar, please do put it in chat or wait towards the end to ask the question directly. Towards the end, we'll be giving the feedback link in the chat box. So make sure you complete the feedback form before you leave from this seminar. Okay, with that, without much further ado, I'm handing the session over to Dr. Shibu. Sir?
Thank you, Vinay sir. Good afternoon, everybody. Today, I would like to explain some home exercise for our fitness and health. Different people have different point of view regarding physical fitness. For a common man, to have a good physique is a symbol of physical fitness. For a doctor, the proper functioning of physiological system is physical fitness. In fact, physical fitness is a simple term with a wide meaning. Physical fitness of a common person means the capacity to do routine work without any fatigue, and after doing his work, he has a power to do some more work and recovery is quicker. Swami Vivekananda, a great philosopher, said that today we do not need Bhagavad Gita, Bible, or Quran, but playfield, because physical fitness and health is the most important thing of our human life. We can imagine that without proper physical fitness and health, our life is very difficult. We have total 24 hours in a day, and we spend 23 hours for other works, and 1 hour should be spent for our ex- exercise and fitness. There are two different type of exercise, and we have to select some specific exercise of our body fitness. You should select your exercise. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. You should select your exercise and suitable place. That can be in your house or flat, otherwise in your room itself. Before the exercise, a light warming up is necessary. The same way, after exercise, the warm down is also necessary. Exercise is the result of a well coordinated function of our various organs of the body. These organs undergo a change during exercise. The short-term and long-term effect of our exercise on various systems of our body is important to understand the structure and function of our body. The effect of exercise affect our various systems of our body, such as skeleton system, the muscular system, the circulatory system, the respiratory system, and digestive system. So I would like to show some slide of home exercise. A homework, even if it is only 20 to 30 minutes long, has many positive effect on you. During sports, stress is relieved and happiness hormones are released. This can often help you to concentrate better again. In addition, regular exercise improve your sleep quality your immune system, and your blood circulation too. We'll start the exercise. First one, high knee exercise. This is a lower body exercise. Start standing with feet hip distance apart. Lift up right knee as high as it will go and raise the opposite arm. Then switch quickly so left knee is up before right foot land. Continue pulling knees up quickly for as long as desired. Benefits of high knee. High knees are a cardio intensive exercise performed at a fast pace. It engages your core, strengthen all the muscle in your legs, gets your heart rate up, and improve coordination and flexibility. High knees are incorporated into a wide variety of workout. Another benefit of high knee exercise is that you can burn a huge amount of calories with this particular exercise in a short space of time. Second one, squat jump. That is a uh, hip exercise and calf muscle exercise. Squat jumps are a popular warm-up exercise and easy to do well. Stand wide on your mat, get into a squat position, put your hand in front of body, keep your back straight, bend your knees and squat down. Now jump out of the squat as high as you can. Land in a squat position. In starting stage, you can 10 to 20 times. You can continue that exercise. Benefits of squat jumps: increase your explosive power. Explosive power means speed, strength, endurance, agility, coordination, etc. Improve upper and lower body strength and burn calories faster. Because this variation put more stress on your joints, it's important to have healthy knees, hip, and ankle if you want to try this move. Developing explosive strength in your lower body increase your heart rate, so it helps with your coordinating improvement and development, cardiorespiratory system improvement, and super efficient exercise. Third one, push-up. Lie flat on your stomach position. Position your hand under your shoulder and push yourself away from the floor. Keep your body under tension. Look down. Your body should form a straight line. If the exercise is too difficult for you, you can keep your knees on the floor and try a simplified variation. Push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work out the triceps, pectoral muscle, and shoulder. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging the abdominal muscle. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. The standard push-ups activates nearly every muscle in your body and increase your endurance. As you engage in this exercise, every major muscles in your body is called upon execute the movements. Next one, Superman exercise. This is a simple exercise. This exercise is super easy and good for your back. Lie on your stomach, extend your arms forward, look down. Now you pull your upper body and your leg up. Hold the position for a few seconds before dropping your arms and leg back onto the mat. Benefit of Superman. The Superman exercise is strengthen the spine muscles and other surrounding muscle to support the spine, promote good posture, and reduce the risk of injury. It uses no equipment and is easy to perform. It will give you the power to better prevent injury to your back, improve your posture, and build a better muscle connection to your lower back. It is a great exercise to be used in warm-up for injury prevention and muscle activation purpose. Next one, sit-ups. Sit-ups is an abdominal exercise. Lie on your back, bend your knees and raise your leg. Tilt your pelvis and that you back lay flat on the floor without a hollow back. Put your arms behind your neck and slowly move your upper body to your knee. Then put it back on the floor with control. Core strength is one of the biggest motivator for doing sit-ups. Sit-ups build muscle strength in the abdominal and hip muscles, improve their balance and stability, increase flexibility, improve posture, reduce a risk of back pain and injuries. Sit-up will help you look better by burning calories, ripping your ab. Sit-ups are great because they work out a huge amount of muscle in your body. There are ton of different way you can do sit-ups, and there are ton of associated health benefit to both body and mind. Next one, plank exercise. Put your forearm on the floor, lift your body so that it form a straight line. Hold this position for a minute or so. Improve body balance and posture. Strengthen your core, shoulder bone, pelvic bone. Improve body flexibility and reduce belly fat and take tummy tight. The plank exercise target almost every group of muscle in our body. They improve the strength of our skeletal system. They improve our ability to focus and concentrate and even help us breathe properly. Plank exercise improve your posture. Good posture prevents your body from developing injuries by improper weight distribution, which can affect everything from major exercise routine to small movements like bending over. The posture deformities is the main posture deformities are hyposis, lordosis, and scoliosis. Hyposis is a spinal disorder in which an excessive outward curve of the spine. Next one, mountain climber. Start with a plank position. Now slowly pull your knee up to your chin, one after the other. Carry out this movement in a controlled manner and do not stress yourself. The slower you do this exercise, the more you will feel it in your abs. Mountain climber exercises are good for your heart. It is great for building cardio endurance, core strength, and agility. It's almost like getting a total body workout with just one exercise. As you perform the move, your shoulder, arm, and chest work to stabilize your upper body while your core stabilize the rest of your body. It's a cardio exercise. You will get heart health benefit and burn calories. Next one, squat. Stand on your mat a little wider than shoulder width. Crouch down and tense your buttocks when you get up. Repeat the exercise. Benefit of squat. It is a great for the health of joint, creating strength, improving posture, and require a lot of core work. A bodyweight squat engage your core, mobilize your hip, knee, ankle, and build strength. Plus, you can do a bodyweight squat anywhere. Squat are not just for specific muscle, but help in the growth of overall muscle. It is often considered as leg exercise, but it is beneficial for your entire body. Next, hip thrust. Lie flat on your back, place your feet close to your butt and push your hip up. Take a chair to help. Place your leg on the chair and repeat the exercise. Due to the increased angle, this variation is a little more difficult. Adjust the position of your feet so that you feel the exercise mainly in your buttocks and not. Benefit of hip thrust. It strengthens the muscle in the hip and buttocks. Hip thrust is a perfect choice as it strengthens the muscle in the hip, buttocks, and quadriceps. It helps stabilize the pelvis, lower back, and knees, making it ideal for targeting low bone density in the hip and femur bone and knee joint, and promoting strong glutes and better balance. Root strength is important for the stabilization of your core, pelvis, and lower body. Without it, you are at high risk of knee pain, low back pain, and other type of injuries. Next one, walking lunges. Stand tall on your mat, take a step forward, making sure that your knee does not protrude over the tip of your toes. Then you push yourself off with your back leg, guide it past your other leg, and take another step forward. Repeat this process again and again. Walking lunges. Walking lunges can help increase your range of motion by helping to increase flexibility and loosen up your hip. This can help improve posture and balance, which can be beneficial to athlete, casual exercise, etc. Lunges are a popular strength training exercise among people wanting to strengthen sculpts and tone their bodies while also improving overall fitness. What happen in our body through this exercise is when we start to exercise our cardiorespiratory and neuromuscular system and metabolic energy pathways are stimulated, muscle contract, and to meet their increasing demand of oxygen, our heart rate, blood flow, cardiac output, and breathing rate has increased. Blood move faster through our arteries and veins and is slowly routed to working muscles. Our body temperature rise and oxygen is released more quickly, raising the temperature of the muscle. This allows the muscle to use glucose and fatty acid to burn calories and create energy for the exercise. All of these processes prepare the body for high intensity action. Then one or two yoga exercise, the Sarvangasana. This is a good asana and simple asana. The main advantage of this asana is to come complete blood circulation to our head region. So more oxygenated blood to come our head region that will refresh our brain, eyes and nose. Lift your lower body slowly. Take your hand, place them on your back, and slowly lift your leg up. Your entire body should be in a straight line with your upper arm supporting your back. Hold the pose. Begin with 10 seconds. Breathe normally. The benefits calm the brain and help relieve stress and mild depression, stretches the shoulder and neck, improve digestion. Next one, Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, raise your trunk and head supported by the palm. Bend your arm at elbows, arch your neck and look forward gently. Make sure that your stomach is pressed on the floor. Put pressure on your toe by pressing them into the floor. The main benefits strengthen the spine, stretches chest and lungs, shoulder and abdomen, stimulate abdominal organs. Next one, Vrishasana. Stand straight, balance firmly on your left leg and lift your right leg. Now place your right foot against the inside of your left thigh. Join your palm in a prayer at your chest level. Hold the position while breathing deeply. Lower your arm to chest level and then separate your palms. Benefit: it strengthens the legs and open the hip. It improves your neuromuscular coordination. It helps the balance. It improves the alertness. Next one, pranayama. This is a breathing exercise. Take a steady breath in through both nostrils. Inhale until you reach your lungs capacity. Maintain a tall spine. Hold your breath for a second and exhale slowly through both nostrils. The main benefits: decrease the stress, improve sleep quality, increase mindfulness, reduce high blood pressure, improve lungs functions. The main advantages of the exercise will improve our mental health, reduce stress level, eyesight will improve and relief in eye pressure, heart become healthier, exercise can prevent cardiovascular disease or stroke. It helps to avoid heart problem by lowering high blood pressure and cholesterol level and improve blood circulation. Then lung capacity increase. When we do the exercise, it increase oxygen flow of our bloodstream and helps train our lungs as well as eliminate toxin and waste. Exercise strengthen our lungs capacity, the amount of air that your lungs take in and also help you to prevent respiratory diseases. Then regular exercise help the pancreas. Regular exercise can help maintain the glucose level and can prevent diabetics. According to research, low intensity exercise increase the efficiency of pancreas, so our body metabolism and insulin production improve. Regular exercise improve our digestion, constipation, and improve our movement. When we lose our body fat, our muscle become more prominent and linear. Regular exercise strengthen our bone and joint, reduce pain of joint along with stiffness. Exercise provide more mobility, prevent base of bone mass, even reduce risk of fracture. Exercise relieve back pain, low impact activities relieve back pain, and better blood circulation than posture and flexibility. Then last, regular exercise improve our mood. It can reduce stress, depression, and anxiety. So I conclude this is a very interesting story narrated by Kiran Bedi, former Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry, who is also a social activist and tennis player. A person of her age was in a park and he said, number one, the alphabetic number one is health. After that, he added zero of education. It became 10. He said, you add another zero, it become 100. I have got a job. Then I add another zero, I have got money to earn. I got 1,000. I add another zero, I have got a lovely family, then I am 10,000. I add zeros and zeros, I become as billionaire and trillionaire or rich in family, in job, in materialism. He said, you can add so many zeros in your life after this one, which is health. Then he say, you drop this health, one, everything become a zero. This is indicating that we are earning a lot of things such as money, power, etc. But without proper fitness and health, these things are a waste. Proper health and fitness will help us to lead a happy life. So I request you to everyone should do some exercise or workout daily. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shibu sir, for that presentation and that message towards the end. So now we will have questions. If anyone has any questions from the audience, you can either put it in chat or you can switch on your mics and speak. For anyone else, the feedback form is also in the link. So are there any queries, questions, feedback, etc.? Okay, since no one has too many questions, Shibu sir, I had a question.
Sir.
Sir, you gave us a list of exercises and like their benefits and what exactly it's helpful for. But apart from your presentation, is there any like website or any location where we can find like a list of exercises which you would recommend? Like apart from just Googling them, is there any website where we can get this information, something similar to what you provided in today's presentation?
Yes, sir. There's so many website is there. Health samples, health. So many website is there, sir. You can visit that. Some specific exercise and some other flexibility exercise, strengthening exercise. So many varieties there.
Okay, sir. But what site would you recommend since you are the expert?
I don't know the exact website, but so many website is available that health tips and all.
Okay, sir. So is there any question from anyone else? Okay. So if there are no further questions, once again, like I said, the feedback is given in the chat box. So you can just go to that link. Please provide the feedback before you exit this. So this was the 12th faculty seminar conducted. The 13th one will be conducted in early 2022. We won't be having in the end of December because of Christmas vacation. We'll be having towards the beginning of January in 2022. So we'll meet you all over there. Once again, thank you, Shibu sir, for this presentation, and thank you everyone for attending.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you.